Stanislav, what are the common mistakes that you see in O-1 petitions and how to avoid them? Guys, today I'm going to address this issue, and also you will learn how to get a free evaluation of your O-1 case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamaev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, I want to address the common mistakes in O-1 visa and the ways to avoid them. Let's take a step back and remember what's O-1 visa. O-1 visa is a visa for those of you who are professionals in the field and have the recognition and achievements in business, science, education, sport, or art. This visa basically applies to all kind of people, all kind of achievements and recognition. There are 6 criteria for art, 8 criteria for the rest of the professions and industries, and we need to satisfy 3 of them by law. But also, I want to get 5 criteria for O-1A and at least 4 for O-1B to make sure we get you approved. And in my company, we have 99% chance of approval for O-1 visa, meaning we know exactly what we're doing. Also, don't forget that that visa requires an employer, and there are other ways where you could become an employer for yourself. And you can also bring your family in the US. It's for 3 years, and we can extend it by a year, or in some instances, even more than a year extensions. Now, what are the main mistakes? Mistake number 1, you don't understand the criteria. And trust me, if you just read the criteria on USCIS website and you'll be like, well, this is easy. I have a few awards, I got some press, I get some judging engagements, I play the critical role in the company, and I make more money. Okay, so 5 criteria, I'm good to go. I set up my own company, I filed, and I got denial. Why? Well, because the awards were regional in nature, your judgings were not in the profession, your press was not in the profession or a major media. For your salary, you did not provide the government statistics, and the companies you worked in did not have reputation, or you did not provide the evidence of the reputation. So 0 criteria and 0 chance to get the approval. Mistake number 2, weak or irrelevant evidence. And here, it's very hard to explain what exactly that mistake is without showing you some documents that I've seen and the way they should look when they filed properly. But guys, your evidence, your achievements, your recognition is only 5, maybe 10% of the case. Everything else is the description of those achievements and recognitions. And the descriptive documents, they have a particular structure that immigration officer wants to see. Okay? And the structure comes not from the law, but more from interpretation of the law, from the policies, and from the precedents. Okay? There are some manuals also and things like that. So you need to study all those things to understand how to properly do the evidence and how to describe those papers. Mistake number 3, poorly drafted letters of recommendation. And guys, I've seen it all. Trust me. If you do it without an attorney or someone who understands, it could be seen from a mile away, okay? Because first of all, recommendation letter could not be half a page, or it cannot be even a page, hardly 2 pages. It starts usually with 3 pages or more, and it has a particular structure. Who is the recommender? How does he or she know you? What exactly they recommending you for, and what they can tell about your achievements and recognitions, and also the conclusions. Okay, so that's the structure. And of course, it's important who that recommender is and what is the purpose of your recommendation letter. It could not be generic. Hey, John is a great person. Hey, I worked with Sarah and she's an amazing marketing person. No, they've got to be specific, with details, and also attached to a particular criterion. So even if you give the details, but they have no influence on the particular criterion, like critical role in a company with distinguished reputation, this is going to be wasted, okay? So make sure your recommendation letters are strong and you use professionals to help you with drafting them. Mistake number 4, try to do it all alone. And I kind of touched on that a little bit, and I've seen it, guys. And I know you read on forum, and here's the guy who has a YouTube channel, and this is the guy from Telegram Messenger who managed to do this. And I may believe it, but guys, all those thousands of people who tried and failed, they don't write anything, right? So, and that's the human psychology. Those hurt the most, they're the loudest. Or those who succeeded the most, they're the loudest in this circumstance, right? Oh, I got an approval. Nobody's going to say, oh, I got a denial, right? And oh, this is my way to get a denial. I didn't see that, everything is possible, but it's not common. But those who did, like, oh, it was so easy, and then, in Russian, there's a saying, even a stick may shoot once a year. You guys probably have equivalent in your language. Put it in the comment section, guys. What's the equivalent for the Russian stick that can shot once a year? Put it in the comment section. I want to know, and put the country where it's from. So don't do it. You're gonna waste money, but most importantly, you're gonna lose time. And when you lose time, this is something you cannot get back. Mistake number 5, choosing the wrong employer, agent, or petitioner in your case, and especially if you're trying to use your own company as a petitioner, they don't like that if it's not formulated properly, okay? So be very careful when you're choosing who is going to be your employer, but because for each one of those things, there is specifics. And you gotta know those specifics. And of course, the attorney who's working with you is gonna know all these things. And you need to follow that structure very, very closely. Mistake number 6, not include the detailed itinerary or employment plan. And some of you forget to bring that no objection peer review letter, okay? And especially if it's if there's a organization that drafts them and immigration officers know, right? Like for businesses, there is no such organization, so you have to provide the expert opinion letter, which we can help you with, but don't just disregard it. Because you just disregard it, the officer is going to say you didn't provide it, you didn't explain it. And if you didn't provide the plan of your employment, what exactly you're going to be doing? And I understand that some professions do not require, like long-term planning is by project, but give them the projects that are coming your way in the beginning. Okay? Don't just skip that because it doesn't look nice on your petition. How to get things right? Number 1, first things first, get the seasoned, experienced immigration attorney who's specializing in this type of visa. You got that one right here. Number 2, get the free evaluation. I have the process where I can sort out your case and see if you have the potential to get that case in for the next 6 months working with my team and get up to 99% chance of approval. The link is below this video. Click on it, fill out the questionnaire, send it to me. Wait for up to days, I'll get back to you and give you the analysis of your case. Look for the word potential. If you have potential in your case, that's the green light for the next stage, complex immigration planning. If you don't have that, work on the recommendations I gave you in that analysis. All right, get that free evaluation right now. Ask me questions, comments under this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell button, press the like button if you enjoyed it. We also have Telegram, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. All the links are below. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.